General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
Alright, so Saturday is going to be the 22nd. Which models hit and which were missed? Monday pushed. Tuesday was very choppy. Wednesday, we did purge and revert. Thursday, we didn't really take out no liquidity, but Thursday was the move. If you caught it here. So you can't really say consolidation. The Thursday reversal, but it's kind of like that. We didn't take out Monday's high. Slash draw. From here to here, though, when we got the volatility, like we chopped up into the volatility. And this is NVIDIA earnings, FOMC minutes, and then this is, hold on, move this accumulation range. Unemployment, non-farm payroll, we drop. So FOMC minutes, NVIDIA, non-farm payroll. Which models is this? It's the NY accumulation before news. That profile is beautiful. But that's it though. Thursday was the only good day this week. As far as textbook deliveries. And consolidation. Before news profile. Discipline, patience, confidence. Did good. Wait until Tuesday. But the VIX and the chop got me in the middle of the week. Till business hours. Until put the high fix. Case log. I don't think it was no good wins this week. I got this piece here because it's accumulation high. We ran Asia low. It was kind of telling. Asia high. We were staying above it. And we had all these equal highs here. So as far as just reading that was good. This is textbook, but I didn't see this. After we dropped here, oh, this nonsense. I was like, NFP, stay out of that anyway. Only one good win on Wednesday. Price was withdraw to equal highs. Loss would be Tuesday. We just chopped. We chopped until PM session, and then it started running. But this right here, we just chopped. Until PM session. Skill sharpen lessons locked. Same. The lesson will be before big news, big earnings. Price is not super clear. Only use one contract. Especially VIX over 17. Because you can't get that money back. Next week, improvement focus. Trading clear price runs only. And widening my scope. Bam. Charts, PL3 charts. Hold on. Space this. Space this. I canceled the Notion AI. I wonder if we could have did it though, but I ain't trying to release no Notion AI and then mess up my Notion. H1 PL3. Here, that was better. So the accumulation range was interesting, but matter of fact, let me clear this because it's about time. And last week I didn't. I kind of feel like I can keep these. These don't be giving me no kind of real problems. And it's more swings anyway. Bullish line in the sand got murked. Let me get this one too. Since I'm saving them. Okay. The meat and the potatoes. Let's get this Monday going. I do like how the Mondays are in red over here. For all the moves we having in Asia, that's not where the volume be at. The volume be in New York still, but the price don't be in New York. Here we go. Forex. Just high of the week here. It should be above. Oh no. Right here. That's interesting. Hold on. What is this? The strongest magnet in the world? Because, Lord, it's Monday high. Yeah, it's Friday low. This is that Thursday nonsense. Really, this is the high. Yeah. Monday high and Friday low. Hold on. Monday, this is the old new week opening gap. So look, one pass through here. And then one pass through here for the bullish side. Sell side, buy side. Now it's a BPR. Boom. Got us a new one. Gave it sell side. We gave it buy side. Reused it. Hit this. This, you can kind of, overwatch this, but this ain't really telling me nothing. I don't see nothing strong about wickedness here and then wickedness here either. Not even this. We ain't even wickedness. We rejected off of this closing price. So this actually created the range. This range was a general liquidity. We swept this and then we swept both sides of it. So really watching this range is going to be the most interesting. Because these highs Like we hit this high and then we wicked it, but we didn't close this low or this low. It's one of the ugliest weeks because of this Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday's been them days. We've been having a lot of ugly delivery on NASDAQ. Seen a chart where ES looked better than NASDAQ. I forgot what day it was, but it was weird. Ugly week. The biggest takeaway was how we used previous week. The week opening gap, deliver buy side to create the BPR. And use it Thursday for the rejection. Okay, here, Wednesday midweek reversal. It's actually beautiful. This is actually beautiful. This high of the week came up here. Let me give it a gray. This high of the week came here. I believe this is the OTE. No, it's not. It's 50%. So 50% of this range here, we didn't complete the objective. We did hit the 0.27. This is actually the most beautiful trade, even though it's all the good entries capping in Asia. Still a good trade. But it took 2 days. This was the best chart. Okay. I know Euro ain't do nothing. This is look high of the week way up here. Do we at least got us a cool something? Okay, displacement here. One above here. Have us a turtle soup. Like besides that, this was screaming sweep off of this, but well, scream and sweep this top. We won't scream and sweep this low. This low's been swept. Nothing about this is interesting. We don't have no good retracements, no good. Well, you could say here this RTO. Come on now. This super form fitting. 2 o'clock Tuesday or Wednesday, London holiday at 2 o'clock. You could have seen this. What is this? 2100. So I think this is Asia low. Yeah. So we had this Asia low hit here, target this. You could have stayed in this trade though. That would have been the sick part about it. If you would have sold this, yeah, I don't like this delivery though. What about two form fit trade idea? This delivery is ugly. Notes and thought survival. Progress. Most would have blue. Hey, that's a fact. Okay, is it done? Alright, it is done. Okay, cool. Alright, that's that on that. Y'all have a good day. Peace.